Welcome to my class. In this particular session, we will talk about data transmission media or channels. For the data to be communicated from one location to another, some form of pathway, that is channel or medium, it must be used. These pathways are called transmission media. The transmission media is of two types. The first is wired media and the second is wireless media. In the wired media, we have twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optical cable. In the wireless media, we have microwave towers, we have satellites, and the third one is infrared waves. So we have wired media and wireless media. First of all, we will talk about wired media in detail. Using of wires to connect computers and other peripherals devices is termed as wired media. Here you can see that number of computers are connected with the help of wires. Then we call it's a case of wired media. Over a period of time, the use of wired media has undergone a radical change. In the past, we used twisted pair cables, then we shifted to coaxial cables, and now we are using fiber optical cables to transmit information from one place to another in the computer network. Some of the most common wired data transmission medium are as follow. The first one, twisted pair cable. A twisted pair wire consists of two bunches of thin copper wires. Each bunch of copper wire is enclosed separately in a plastic insulation, then twisted around each other to reduce interference. Adjacent wires called unshielded twisted pair cable UTP, because other than plastic coating around the two individual bunches of copper wires, nothing shields, nothing protects it from outside interference. Twisted pair cable application. UTP cables are commonly used in the local telephone communication and for short distance, that is up to about 1 kilometer. Merits. UTP cables are an inexpensive medium of data transmission from one point to another. They are easy to install and use. Demerit. They are of limited uses because they easily pick up noise signals, which results in high error rates in the transmission of data. The second is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable consists of central copper wire surrounded by a PVC insulation over which a sleeve of copper or aluminum mesh is placed. This metallic sleeve is again shielded by an outer shield of thick PVC material. The signal is transmitted by the innermost copper wire and is electrically shielded by the outer metal sleeve. Application. Coaxial cable offers much higher bandwidth than UTP cables and are capable of transmitting digital signals. They are extensively used in long distance telephone lines and as cables for cable TV network. Coaxial cable merits. In many cases, several coaxial cables are packaged into a very large cable that can carry thousands of telephone calls simultaneously. Coaxial cables have much higher noise immunity and can offer cleaner data transmission without distortion or loss of signal. Demerits of coaxial cable. Coaxial cables are expensive in comparison with twisted pair cables and are not used for voluminous amount of data transmission. The third one is fiber optical cable. Fiber optical is hair-thin threads of either glass or plastic that can serve as a data transmission media as copper wires. The basic difference is that optical fibers transmit light signals instead of electrical signals. Application of fiber optical cable. Since light signals travel faster than electricity, optical fiber can transmit data at much higher speed than copper twisted pair or coaxial cables, and also with no significant loss of intensity over very long distances. Merits of fiber optical cable. Fiber optical cables are highly durable and offer excellent performance. The transmission speed is very high. On the demerit side, these cables cannot be bent in 90-degree angle as it shall break, and these cables are quite expensive. Now let us move on to the wireless media. The wireless media removes the hassle of managing various wires required for the purpose of flow of information from one place to another. This media allows the transmission of data without making use of wires. There are a number of wireless medium used according to the requirements. The most important ones are microwave systems, communication satellite, and infrared waves. We shall discuss about these three systems in brief. Now, what are microwaves, satellites, and infrared? Microwave communication system. Microwave communication system uses very high frequency radio signals to transmit data from one point to another through space. Application. Microwave communication systems are widely used for high volume, long distance, and point-to-point communication. These are the two microwave towers. This is an example of microwave towers. Microwave communication system merits. This is a popular way of transmitting data since it does not incur the expense of laying cables throughout the path. At uneven places like hilly areas, it may not be possible to erect poles to tied wires for communication purpose. Moreover, the air pressure may lead to swing in the wires, which may put load on the erected poles and they may get uprooted from the earth. Therefore, this is ideal channel under those conditions. Demerits. At microwave frequency levels, the electromagnetic waves cannot bend or pass obstacles like hill. Hence, it is necessary that microwaves transmission be in a line of sight. Demerits. Microwave towers can usually not to be spaced more than 30 miles apart because the earth curvature would interrupt the line of sight from tower to tower. In other words, the transmitter and the receiver of a microwave system, which are mounted on very high towers, should be in a line of sight. This may not be possible for very long distance transmission. Moreover, the signal becomes weaker after traveling a certain distance and require power amplification. The next one is communication satellite. To overcome the problem of microwave communication system, we have communication satellites. The main problem with microwave communication is that the curvature of the earth, mountains, and other structures often block the line of sight. Due to this reason, several repeater stations are normally required throughout the transmission path for long distance transmission, which increases the cost of data transmission between two points. This problem may be avoided using satellites. These are the satellites. As with microwave transmission, satellites must receive and transmit via line of sight. However, the enormous footprint, that is the amount of Earth's surface in the line of sight for a specific satellite of a satellite coverage area from high altitude, overcomes the limitation of microwave relay station. Put it together, however, the enormous footprint of a satellite coverage area from high altitude overcomes the limitation of microwave relay stations. Here you can see in the example a network of just 3 evenly spaced communication satellites in stationary geosynchronous orbit and 22,300 miles above the equator is sufficient to provide global coverage. It means 3 satellites are sufficient to cover the whole Earth. Here these 3 satellites are sufficient to cover the whole Earth. A satellite is an object which has been placed into space by human endeavor. Endeavor means efforts. A satellite is an object which has been placed into space by human efforts. Such objects are sometimes called artificial satellites to distinguish them from natural satellites like Moon. Purpose. According to purposes, there are different types of satellites in the space. First, military and civilian Earth observation satellites. Second, communication satellites. And the third one is weather satellites, etc. Satellite transmission system make use of communication satellites. Broad types of satellites. Currently there are 3 types of satellites around the Earth, each type in a different orbit. They are as follow. First, geostationary Earth orbit, GEO. Medium Earth orbit, MEO. And low Earth orbit, LEO. The next one in the category of wireless media is infrared wave. Infrared wave is a light not commonly visible to naked human eyes, and it can be used for transmitting information from one point to another. Common application. The most common application of infrared light is in TV remote control units. Transceivers. With computers, infrared transmitters and receivers, which is termed as transceivers, are being used for short distance connection between computer and peripherals equipment or between computers and LANs. Many laptops have infra ports when cable connections with the peripheral are not practical. So here we have learned that there are 3 types of wired media, that is twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optical cable. Similarly, in the wireless medium, we talk about the case of microwave towers, satellites and infrared waves. Thank you very much.